Hey, good afternoon. My name's Steve. Today's a rainy day. I've been out on the job. They told me my DualLiner arrived today and it was raining. I had my gate shut, so I came home from lunch, and as you can see, the box and the bed liner. Pretty awesome. Everything about it, it just snapped right on in. Took me about 45 minutes to put it all together. I use my truck a lot. I've got a platinum F150. Been getting hammered putting material and things in the back of it. Last week I had stone and a generator in the back, and the stone slid into the tailgate. And since they're aluminum, it was a little rough. Put a little crease and a dent in it, maybe a little cut, but looking forward to getting a lot of good service out of this. And again, thank you, DualLiner. Looking forward to your product working out really well for us, and well, so we'll put it in some other trucks as it moves forward. Thanks again. Appreciate it.